The secret to selling more and more products online is you have to understand the market and give them what they want. The second mindset, be in their shoes. Ano ibig sabihin? If they are thirsty, give them water. Do not give them steak, sushi, sashimi, kikiam. Give them water, they're thirsty. One of the biggest problem with most is, Sir Jon, I want to sell this. I want to talk about budgeting. The secret to selling more and more products online is you have to understand the market and give them what they want, not what you want to tell. Anyone in here personal finance, financial advisors, pakitaas po ang kamay. There you go. Right? The common is, Sir Jon, mahalaga kasi yung financial literacy. That's right? And I believe 100%. But if you gotta package financial literacy, magugutom ka. You gotta package it differently in such a way that people will desire to have that kind of thing. Do that make sense? What do people want? And then give it to them. That's what it means. Do they love to lose weight? Yeah. Lakas na. Yes. Right? So mga weight loss. Do they want to start a business? Yes. Do they want to learn how to do Facebook marketing? Yes. Do one single woman find their partner in life? Yeah? Yes, parang malakas yun. Yes, right? There are so many things that you guys can produce. But you gotta learn, check out the market, check Facebook groups, check out their discussions. Ano ba yung problema nila? O yung acne? Okay, maybe you know how to solve the acne. O relationship, long-term relationship, kasi OFW, tapos malayo. Talk about that. Check out the market. What are their problems? Normally, it will start with you. Kung ano yung problema mo, that's how you gotta do it. That's where you should start. Next slide. Okay? So, may pera sa problema. Sabihin natin, may pera sa problema. Ulitin natin, may pera sa problema. Ulitin natin, may problema sa pera. Ha? Seriously, may pera sa problema. If you see group of people, photographers, any photographers in here, if you know photography, you gotta talk about photography, boy. Produce video courses. But Sir Jon, I'm not an expert. So am I. Common mistake is they think they need to become an expert. Sino rito nakaka-relate? Taas ang kamay. Yeah, Sir Jon, but I am not an expert. I gotta tell you, people are not looking for expertise. People are looking for people who can genuinely try to help them. The question is, are you really trying to help people or are you just really trying to make money? That's the thing. But if you can genuinely, I created products. I am not the expert. So I know what I'm talking about. You may be thinking, si Jon Orana ka na eh, no? Baka lahat ng product mo bibenta. You have no idea. I have like in markets that there's no Jon Orana personality. I have like a pen name. They think I'm an old people. I'm not saying I'm old people, but they think because the way I speak to them, I really know, understand the situation. And it's not an accident because I worked on it. Okay? May pera sa problema. Next slide.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching.